is Tuesday, and this is our first subject for this afternoon. Yes. Almost done. Ay, what's up? Holler! Ah. Hi everyone. So today I'm with my friends, but I went to the physical store for something that I want to buy, a skincare box. So I'm heading to my friends right now.
Father Pedro Pelaez, a priest in Manila, found that the Filipinos know the first, second,
We're finally done at uuwi na kami kasi imagine, ilang oras na kami naghihintay dito tapos wala pa siya. What if this is your sa kung ano?
Ano, time check.
7:22.
Mahuli na, mister!
Matag na sa Minecraft. Tomorrow is my exam, and I would say, I guess, around 70% that I get all the studies I have done since last week. And right now, I'm going to pay for the exam. I'm so sorry, my hair is so oily. Yep. Well, let's go. I'm done preparing, and I'm still setting my makeup. Here's my hair right now. Like, I love myself today. Like. My grade. My yun na lang para hilo. Hindi mo mag-live. kay gwapo mo diri ah. Now the big card Velarde. Amise. O, tanawa Sam. Tanawa ni mo reaction Sam pag i-mention siya. Tanawa mo reaction. Gangisi ka, ga-blush on. Pati mo agtang namula, saka blush on. Pati, tanawa. Ay, napog na Sam. Parang panaginip. Uy, si Ba. Say hi. Yeah, ano siya sa vlog, sa video. Inawat na papis. Kanaw ni. Gusto niya, oy. Thank you.
Okay, karapatan ay say bot-bot na ako kay rights. Pilingon ba kayo? Okay lang ang ina ng para sa inyo mga taga siya following.
Okay ra. Natural man kinaga-search pa man ako ang tao. Nag-look pa siya bago
Pero
sa
wala pa na dili.
Teenage.
1 month.
Hi guys. Today we have our 5 hours weekend. So, yeah. More.